Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video, I'll show you how to follow topics on Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter application. Make sure you have already downloaded X application on your device. Now tap on profile on top left corner. Here you can see option list. Tap on it. Now here you will be seeing topics, and here you can see follow button. Now when you tap on show more, it will show you more topics, so whichever is interested you can follow it. Let me follow this one, this and this. So in this way you can follow topics on Twitter. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.